In this video, I'm going to show you how to place the mass airflow sensor on this Honda Civic. It's located on top of your air box on the driver's side of the engine bay, so let's get started. With the hood open, you'll find the air box right on the driver's side of the engine compartment, and the mass airflow sensor is mounted right on top of it. To remove the old one, press on this tab and pull the connector back. And then there are two Phillips head screws that we have to remove to get the sensor out. This one might be a little trickier to access just because the cowl's in the way, but if you have a longer screwdriver, it should reach. Unthread both of them. Now pull the mass airflow sensor straight up, and if you need to remove the weather stripping a little bit to get this to clear, go ahead, and there it is. Now take your new mass airflow sensor, slide it down into position, put the two screws back in, bottom them out, and make them snug. These are very small, that's bottomed out, so a tiny bit extra is all it needs. That's it. If you over tighten these, you can strip the head or strip the threads, or even worse, break the bolt. Now reconnect the sensor. Make sure this clicks. If you had a check engine light, clear it, run the vehicle, and make sure everything runs properly.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.